Welcome back. Now Nuvem Sports. Curtorim completed a grand double of state volleyball championships under Panchayat Yuva Krida or Khel Abhiyan after the boys team clinched the title on Tuesday evening. The Curtorim girls had earlier won the state title beating Taleigao Panchayat team. In handball final, Taleigao girls won the state finals while Nuvem finished runners-up. Both these state finals were held at Kampal ground. Navratri culminated with the Dasra celebration in the state on Wednesday. Today we have the last Makar Aarti in our Makarotsav video series, the Makar Aarti of Shantadurga from Vere and Kavle. Have a look. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.